What's going on, you guys? So in today's video I am going to show you what you can do if you get the error from WhatsApp that says this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So the first thing that you have to do is to uninstall and reinstall your WhatsApp. So here you can tap and hold WhatsApp and tap on uninstall. Now after that, you can go to your Play Store or your App Store and you need to download WhatsApp again. So simply install WhatsApp from here and restart your device and you should be good to go. Now if that didn't help, you can open up your web browser and go to whatsapp.com. Now once you are in here, tap on the three bars on the upper left corner and tap on Help Center. So once you're here, you can scroll down and tap on Contact Us. And here, go to WhatsApp Messenger Support and tap on Contact Us. So once in this window, you need to provide your phone number and your email address. Also, you need to confirm that email address. So here, how do you use WhatsApp? So if you are using WhatsApp on your Android device, you can choose Android or iPhone, or if you're using it on a web or desktop. Now right below it, please enter your message. So here, explain what happened. So say for example, if your number got banned by accident or by mistake, you can say it here. You can type your message here and you need to be very specific with your message in here. So after that, tap on next step and just wait within 48 hours and WhatsApp team is going to get in contact with you. Alright, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.